We wish to go far, so far we can't see far. That's why the far people are calling us to the upcoming duties. Without intentions, we kill the generations of the coming duties. Our intentions is to see the great future uploading. Now we no longer upload, we update to kill the other variances of life. It's no longer a world of peace, but it is a world of technology. Since technology has taken part, our hearts are controlled by robots. It's not a hard life, it's an easy life with closing eyes. Now we no longer see, since we have the doomed eyes, we can't see far. Far is calling us. No longer we see far, but we can't reach far. We have no hands. Hands are deadened by new generations that are busy taking orders in our lives, are busy operating lives in our heart. So far, we don't have a heart to think about the upcoming duties of new generations. We have lost the authority of taking responsibilities in the duties of the young ones since we didn't sow the upcoming seeds. So now we no longer want to see the new generation developing into the new system of life. We don't call it life, but we call it lie, since we lie in the base of life. Life is not calling us close. We wish to reach the destination. So far we can't see far, but they call us far. Far we wish to see, but we know far, we don't know how to reach far. It's hard for us to believe that we are destined for this destination, but it's a hard journey for us to walk. So far we wish to thank all those who know about the upcoming duties. I am the young poet that fails to remain quiet. I mean the one smooth poet. Thank you.